Hey YouTube, I have one of these Nano VNA, mine's the H4 that I purchased on Amazon, and I really like the box that it came in. The only issue I really have is with the tray that holds all the parts. It started breaking apart the very day I started using it, so I decided to design my own. I'm using the free version of Fusion 360, and this is the design I came up with. This one here it's got a solid bottom and then the inserts on top. When I first designed it, I wanted to make it kind of like the tray where the underside was hollow. After I printed it, I guess I really didn't measure my thicknesses, but it became very flimsy. So after that failure, it was very thin and it started breaking apart at some of the seams. So I decided to make it solid, and then I reprinted it again. The one issue I have is when I first did the first print, these hexagon holes were way too big. The test pieces rested in there, so I decided to make it a little smaller, brought them down to 8mm, and I probably shouldn't have gone that small because I did experience some shrinkage, so now they're a little smaller than the actual test pieces themselves. Kind of a semi-press fit. I kind of like it, but I think I'll make these a little bit bigger. Maybe bring them up to 8.25mm. But that's it. Thanks for watching.